Viral AI, anime, ASMR videos are taking over social media right now. And the most impressive part is that nobody can tell, even for a second, that these videos were created using AI. The quality is incredibly realistic, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these videos yourself, step by step. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future AI tutorials. First, copy the prompt from the comment section. After that, open Cloud AI, paste the prompt, and click send. Cloud AI will then ask whether you want a female AI character or a male AI character. Simply choose whichever character you prefer and send your selection. Next, Cloud AI will suggest several AI anime ASMR video ideas. Choose the idea you like the most and send it back to Cloud AI. Within a few moments, Cloud AI will generate a detailed video prompt for you. Copy that prompt. Now, open Flow AI and go to the video section. Select OmniFlash as the model. Paste the copied prompt into the prompt box and click send. That's it. In just a short time, Flow AI will generate a high-quality, ultra-realistic AI anime ASMR video for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Also, subscribe to the channel and become part of our growing AI community. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you more valuable AI tutorials every week.